I would think the last line in the sand more or less is around the 1460, 1450 area. We break down under that, then again we have a price pattern target here down in the, I want to call it from here to here, down around 1300. So that would be significant as well. And those are the areas I'd watch to maybe be concerned that we're really going to break down significantly. Other than that, like I said, I would say we'd be more likely to stay in this very wide range. The fact being we're down in the lower part of the range in all the indexes, and really nothing's has any kind of a support break, we're likely to either wander sideways or go higher for the week. My feelings are telling me that we're more likely to wander higher for the week than we are to break down. Of course, a serious news event or some sort of serious hit that puts us underneath that's real. In other words, not just a fake out where, if we fake out underneath, sometimes the markets will fake us out underneath and then rush the market higher. That can happen from time to time, but realistically, I'm thinking that we hold this level and like I said, stay in range.